I'm going to explain the types of sentences. We are Aini Melissa Sarabe Leon and Diana Mar Gonzalez Arena. First of all, what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words giving a complete idea. It must contain a subject and a verb. All sentences have a noun or pronoun component called the subject and a verb part called the predicate. Let's talk about simple sentences. This type of sentence consisting of only one clause with a single subject and predicate. The two most basic parts of a sentence are the subject and predicate. The subject of a sentence is the person, place, or thing that is performing the action of the sentence. The subject represents what or whom the sentence is about. The simple subject usually contains a noun or a pronoun and can include modifying words, phrases, or clauses. The predicate expresses action or being within the sentence. The simple predicate contains the verb and can also contain modifying words, phrases, or clauses. For example, the man builds a house. The man is the subject and builds a house is the predicate. Now, I'm going to explain compound sentences. It's a sentence containing two or more coordinate independent clauses, usually joined by one or more conjunction. Independent clauses are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. For example, this house is too expensive, and that house is too small. It's a compound sentence because it has got two independent clauses. This house is too expensive, and that house is too small, separated by a comma and the coordination conjunction. You can also join independent clauses with a semicolon, which looks something like a cross between a colon and a comma. If you join clauses with a semicolon, you add an abrupt pause, creating a different kind of effect. He said he didn't mind if I stayed home. It soon became clear he wasn't being honest, for example. And finally, complex sentences. A complex sentence is formed by adding one or more subordinate dependent clauses to the main independent clause using conjunctions and or relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are that, which, who, whose. Conjunctions subordinating are while, because, although, as, when, until, etc. Verbs, structures, non-finite, participle verbs, forms that end in ing or ed, or an infinitive verbs form such as to go, to become, to see. Here's an example where the independent clause comes first. I was snippy with him because I was running late for work. And here's another example where the dependent clause comes first. Because I was running late for work, I was snippy with him. As you can see, if the dependent clause comes first, you will generally need to separate the clauses with a comma. That's all. Thank you so much.